Welcome back to our channel, and it's new year, guys. This is actually our first video in this channel for the year 2024, and guys, we want to warmly welcome you from Wordplug Media and have a fruitful year ahead. So guys, in this video today I am actually going to be showing you 4 different live support plugins and chat plugins that you can actually use for your WordPress website or for any kind of website, even if it is WordPress or a scripted website from HTML. Now you can actually learn how to add a live chat button, just like you can see on my screen down here. You can learn how to add a chat button just like here on down on my screen, and then add it to your WordPress website, add it to your HTML website. And I'm going to be showing you 4 different ones, and you are going to choose from either of them to use for your website. The 4 of them, they are good, and they are quite a lot more live plugins that I'll add there. So I just chose these 4 for you to learn in this video. I'm also going to be showing you how to get them for free in this video. That is only when you stick to this video to the end. So guys, watch this video and follow my footsteps, because most times if you do not follow the correct footsteps and guidance in installation of this live plugin, it may not actually come up on your website, and you may end up saying that it is not actually working. So guys, follow the tricks in this video. So I'm actually going to show you how to do this, add it to either of your WordPress website or your HTML website. So guys, that said, if this is the first time you're seeing our channel, we are Webplug Media TV, and we share educating stuff ranging from tech updates, tech trends, how to develop any kind of website, things that works, and how you can actually navigate your way in the internet as a web developer and even a content creator, because we create content for anything you want in the internet space. So guys, that's the first time you're seeing our video, subscribe to this channel, and there is a like button below this video. If it interests you most, click on that like button and then share this video, guys. That is the only way we will grow this channel, and then we keep on bringing you updates like this. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, the first one I have here is Studio. Now this is Studio. As you can see right here on my screen, this is Studio, and Studio, it says combine AI and human support for excellent customer service. Now I believe you know what a live chat button does on your website. It's actually something, a software or an online plugin that you add to your website to enable you chat with your clients, your customers, maybe a client that needs to make inquiry on something, maybe or your Shopify store or your WooCommerce website, or maybe any kind of website. Actually, you can actually use a live chat button. So if your customers and clients who need some information and they are not clear on something they are navigating through on your website, you can actually chat you up on your live chat button, and then they are going to get and make more inquiries about the stuff they are confused on your website. Now the first one I have here is Studio, and you can actually locate this Studio from searching for as you can see here, tidio.com, tidio.com. So you can actually search for it and you get it. Now for you to I'm actually going to be creating a live account right here, and I'll show you how to add them to your website, even if it's a WordPress website or your HTML website. So now for this very first one, let's start with creating an account. So right here on my screen, if you've loaded up tidio.com, www.tidio.com, so it will bring you to something similar to this. And then once you're here, you just have to click on get started. It's going to take us to where we are going to create an account. So yeah, this is it right here. So you see that it says create a free account. So you're actually going to be creating this account for free. And now let me add my email. So let me just add a random email. So and then once you've added your email, you've added your password, the next thing you're going to add is your website. Now at this point, if you're doing this for yourself, you're going to add your own website, and if you're doing it for your client, you're just going to ask your client for his website link, and then you're going to put the URL of your website right here. So I'm going to put the URL of my website at this place right now. So here is my website. I'm just going to put my website right there, and I'm going to click on agree, and then I'm going to click on create get started for free. So if your details the details you put is correct, they are just going to log you in into your Tidio account. So let me just create that right now. So I believe they should also send us an email. You're going to receive a sign up email once you've created your account. So it's taking us. So now there are things you should do right here to make sure that you set up this stuff properly. Now it's asking you your name, and this name now you're not going to put your own name. You're just going to put, for me now, what I do most times, I just put something like support. This is the name of the person that will actually come up to show whenever someone chats you up. So you just have to put support, stuff like that, stop support, and a job that best describes what I do. So what I do here is customer success lead. So let's just use that. And then I want to interact with customers via my website live chat. So that is okay. So we click on next. So my company industry is, so let's say we just have an online store, and then my company size we just say 2 to 50, and my company gets this number of inquiries. So this is actually the number of people that chat you up on a daily basis. So let's say 11 to 100. So how was your website built? So now we are first going to add this to this WordPress. So we just have to say WordPress. So when you come here and you build your website in a different way, so you just have to click on order, and it's going to ask you to put the ways through which your website was built. So let's just click on next. Okay, I want to have Studio up and running as soon as possible. I'm currently using let's say no other one. So okay, let's just say just getting started. So where did you learn about? I say someone told me about it. Let's just get started. So offer live support. What would you like to begin? Where would you like to begin? Let's just begin from offer live support, and then we click on let's go. So once that is done, we just see that yeah, our account has been created, but this has not been added to our website. So what next do we have to do? We just have to click on add these widgets to our website. So let's click on set up widget. So you're seeing this name now. You can see the name that we added, support. So whichever name you want to show up here for your clients to see, you see, you chat with support. So if you want to change this name, let's say we change it to admin. Let's say admin. So it has me admin that is going to show there. And so what is the color you want your chat button to have? So you can see that this is blue. You can set it to have red. You can set it to have purple, or let's say black. I love black. So you can set it to black. And English is our language. So let's click on continue. Now you're going to see this is actually important. So you are going to see that if you are creating this stuff for by yourself, once you are done creating it, if you're not the one that created the website, they just made an option for you. You are going to send this code and instruction to the developer of your website. While if you're the person that created the website, you just have to copy this code. And this is only when you are manually uploading this stuff with through an HTML file. So if you're uploading it through an HTML website, you just have to click on manual install, and then you copy this code and put on your website. So if you're not doing that manually, you see several options here. You can upload it. If it's a WordPress website, you can see PrestaShop, whatever one. So we just have to go with manual installation, and then I'm going to click on copy code. So I'm going to copy that code again, and then just have to copy this code and then go back to our website. Now we want to first and install this code in an HTML file, so we just have to upload that. So once we are done doing this, I'll also show you how to do that on your WordPress. So let's go back. I've actually opened my index.html file. So for you to know how I got here, I went to the cPanel of my domain name, and then I located where the front end file of my domain name was, and then I opened the index.html. Index.html. So once you click on it, you open it. So well, let me just go back and then show you how I did that. So you just have to come back here and locate your files. So once you locate your files, you come to index.html. So once I click on index.html, I'll click on edit, and I'll click on edit, and you know your HTML, well, index.html is your home page. So once you come to your home page, just search for Ctrl F to find. Just search for the closing body, of your website. So of your website body. So this is it. So you see the code right here. This is the closing tag of your body section. So we just have to come back here, since that is the closing body. We just have to come back, and this code is always pasted before the closing body tag. So we just have to do something like enter, maybe 3 or 4 times, and then I'll come down right here and enter, and then I'll Control V to post. So it's still my TDO code right here. And then okay, let's do something. So before I open that, let me load the front end of the website, so that you see that there is nothing like a chat button right here before we open it. So let me refresh this to show you, that it's actually a live website. So you see that it's live. So let me refresh it again. So let's come here and refresh. Yeah, so you see that it has refreshed and there is no live chat button. So let's proceed with the installation. So you see this is my code right here. So I'll just have to click on save changes. So these changes have been saved. So let's come back to our saved it. So let's just come back right here, and we click on refresh. So if you refresh this manually from up here and it's not showing, what you just have to do is you're going to do a hard refresh, and you can do this hard refresh by just pressing shift plus F5 on your keyboard. So it's going to do a hard refresh for you. And then, or if you do that it still don't work, just try and scroll up. Just scroll up a little bit, and then you can still scroll down. So let's wait for that to load. It's still loading up. That button is right here. So let me just do as if I am sending a message right now, and then let's come back to where we were creating it, and then let's click on continue again. So wow, you can see that it was saying set up chat. Now you're saying nice work, you are all set. Wow, you can see that our account has been created, and then we can now see it live on our website. So if you come back here and you will see it. So let's just do as if we are chatting. So let me just do a message. You see that we selected black color and it's showing black right here. So send. It's asking me for an email. So let me just put a random email at mail.com. So let me enter that email. So my message has been sent. So you see my message. So once it is sent to you, you're actually going to receive a notification. So let's come back right here. You see that you have your account right here. So let's go to our inbox and let's check for the chat we just sent. So you see unassigned. So you see the message I just sent. So let me join the chat right now and let me say hello. So let me reply. So I'm replying. So let's come back to our website. Wow, we can see that I'm said hello, and you see that the admin name I put here is showing admin. So I can say welcome here. So let me click on enter. So I am also going to receive that here. You say welcome here. So I can say hi, how can we help you today? So you see that this is actually a nice plugin you can use. So TDO is actually a very strong live support, and that is one of the reasons why it is the first one I recommended in this video. So if you go back to that chat, actually you are going to see hi, how can we help you today? So you see that this is actually cool, and then we've been able to add this to our HTML website. This is actually the first plugin that I will recommend in this video. So let's go back. So you see this is Studio, and we've been able to create an account on Studio. So let me just see if I can log out right now. So this is how you can use. And now, okay, let me say you want to add this to your WordPress website, or yes, your WordPress website. So let's come back and let me go to account, and let me see if I can log out right now. Okay, yeah, this is my account here. So let me log out. Okay, let me log out right here. So I'm logging out. So you see that my account has been logged out. So now the second one is Talk to. Now, Talk to is actually a very nice chat live plugin that has cool features. And whenever clients chat to you on live on this Talk to, even on Tidio actually, you get notified. It gives you a notification sound that yes, someone just messaged you and you're going to um, reply that chat. It also tells you the live location of the person, where the person is chatting you from, the location of the person. It shows you the page on your website that the person is visiting and all of that. So let's just create and sign up an account for free right now. Let me sign up an account. So all these are for free. So enter your name. Okay, let's just say support. Enter your email. Let me enter my email. So my password. So let me say 2024. So that's okay. Sign up for free. Wow, it says successfully created profile, redirecting to dashboard. So it's redirecting us to our dashboard right now. Wow, so let's select create property and our language is English. So site name, you're going to give, so when you're here now, if you're doing it for yourself, you put the name of your website. If you're doing it for your client, you ask the client for the name of his website. So you put it right here. So I'm just going to put my own website name. So let's just say on so then you put the URL again. So if you should have your URL, so let me put the URL of my website. So back here, let me put the URL of my website. So I'm going to click on next to team members. So this is my email, and then I'm going to click on install widget. So now you see that this is the code, and then you see the installation here, installation guide. So you say to install Talk2, you can place this code before the body tag. This is the closing body tag on every page of your website. So you see that, as I said before, you put it before the end of the body tag. You see, or you can actually use TikTok, okay, or you can use Talk2 plugin for one of the popular platform, which is WordPress. So you can see, so we are going to actually try using WordPress. So you know what WordPress is? It's actually a CMS software you can use to create any kind of website. So you see WordPress. So now you copy this to clipboard, and then you come back, and then let's move over to adding it to our website. Now if you're using and installing this on your WordPress website, remember the first thing you should do is log into your WordPress admin page, which is actually your domain name slash wp-admin. You log into that place. So once you log into that place, you're just going to see an interface just like my own. So once you're here, what you just have to do is locate plugins. So once you're here, you just have to locate plugins. So you see I have plugins already, so I just go to add new plugins, and it's going to bring us right here. So once you're here, you just have to search the name of the plugin, which is Talk2. So if you also want to add that of Tidio, let's say Tidio is what you want to add, you just have to come here and type Tidio. So let's search for that. So wow, you can see Tidio right here. It is the first chat button right here. So what you just have to do is click on install. You click on install. After installing it, you have to activate it. So you see other live chat plugins right here. So it has been installed. So we click on activate. So after activating that, you can just start and proceed to do other stuff. So you see that it's going to actually open something for us right now where we can actually input the code that we just copied. So it's opening it for us. So you see, so these are the plugins that we already installed. But the one we want to install now is Talk2. So let's go back and install Talk2. So let's come here and type Talk2. So it's opening for us. So this is actually my WordPress admin dashboard. So if you're doing it for WordPress, you also follow my procedure. It's easy and it has no complications. So you see that I already have Talk to activated on this website. So you see that it's saying active. So previously I showed you how to make it become active. So after you click on install, you're going to see activate it. And once after activating it, you are going to see a prompt page. This is actually a website that is actually running. So that is why I'm not going to go into opening this particular live chat and in this video. So but if you want to do it for WordPress, I showed you in details how to do it on an HTML file or whatever file you're using. So if you want to do it for WordPress, log into your admin dashboard, locate plugins, and then on your plugins page, you just have to search plugin name, and then you're going to activate that plugin. So you're going to just follow the on-screen prompt, and then you'll see a place where you are going to paste this code that you just got to copy from here. You just copy this code right here and paste it there. And once you've done that, you just have to come down here, come down right here and click on done, and it's going to log you into that. So if you want to take a tour, you can just take a tour and then get to learn more about Talk to if that's the first time you're using it. So you just have to, I'll take it from here. So you see that this is my account, so we are good to go. Now the next one in the list is Smarts Up. So this is actually a nice plugin also. I have made use of all of them, and I must say that these four, they are one of the best. So it says drive your online sales through conversion, empower your online success, discover AI, lead gen chatbot, live chat, and more. So it is actually cool, and you can actually try them for free. So you can just come here, click on your account, and then you create an account, and that is cool. So in this video, we are able to mention. Okay, now the last one is actually live chat. So you see that live chat is actually a free one. So for you to log on to this one, you have to visit www.livechat.com, www.livechat.com. So for you to visit this one, so for you to visit, you just have to open www.smartup.com. So smartup.com. Smartup. So once you're here, you see that you can create a free account, put your email, your password, and then your website URL. You are good to go. You can add the code to your website. I've told you two ways to add that, either through WordPress, or if, even if your website is not built through WordPress, select the means through which it was built, and then follow the on-screen prompt. You can actually build and add that to your website. So in this video, we've been able to mention that you can use tdo.com, talk.to, smartshop.com, and then livechat.com. These are four good live chat plugins and softwares you can actually use to drive more sales on your website, through which clients can message you on your website and you get to respond to them. They have cool features, so whichever that one you that interests you most, you can actually use them. So guys, I'm going to see you in our next video, and then keep being productive, and I'll meet you in our next video. Thank you.